Sangma na may sukat na rin lang po. Basta na pagkatakang niya po.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the Chitmang Chaiwat nature-based glamping project in Badri Rongdong, South Garo Hills. This project highlights the government's commitment to sustainable tourism and community development, showcasing interdepartmental collaboration to boost tourism infrastructure. Chief Minister Conrad thanked the Soil Conservation Department and the Chitmang Chaiwat community for their efforts, noting Minister Marcus and Marak's suggestion to name the park Purno Agatok Sangma. Emphasizing a balance between environment and development, the Chief Minister highlighted the Chitmang Chaiwat Eco-Tourism Project's success. It transformed 21.48 hectares into an eco-tourism hub, achieving water security, developing infrastructure, restoring ecology, and creating local livelihoods. The project features a new tourism cabin complex with traditional Garo-style cabins and eco-friendly PVC dome tents, expected to create jobs and boost local economy. Looking forward, the Chief Minister announced the foundation laying for an additional secretariat in Tura on June 19. He also presented plans for developing other tourist sites like Wari Chora, South Garo Hills and Siju Cape, along with Mandalgre, East Garo Hills. News Desk, Hub News.
Oy sengbo, chaani ko apsan to chi jo thai na skang sengbo. Yan nang ni BNB mangna aruan singni samtang na namja. Anda kapa toko chaani chi dengtang sabis ko manama. Yanda kapa thorang ko basa ko ba di jakal na paltaya, soe gala, aru nala rango pake gala. Diba daude, ruko, ya repurpose use cooking oil ni skimo, ya toko biodiesel tari nagta jakal gen. Unigaman sengbo, antang ni BNB mang aru nang ni samtang ko name rakibo.